Have you ever looked at your bank account and wondered, where did all my money go? Maybe you've got the latest phone, the hottest clothes, and you're dining out like a king, but deep down, you feel like your finances are spiraling out of control. Here's the hard truth. Living beyond your means is a financial trap disguised as comfort. This trap can sneak up on you. It feels good at first until you realize you're living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt and watching your dreams of a wealthy future slowly slip away. But hey, at least your Instagram looks great, right? Now, if you're ready to break free and reclaim your financial future, stay with me. We're diving deep into the hidden dangers of living beyond your means, why it's stopping you from building wealth, and how you can start making power moves to fix it. Here's the reality. Living beyond your means is a slow, silent financial killer. It starts innocently. Just a few extra drinks with friends, that new jacket you didn't need, but those small choices add up over time. Let me ask you this. How many of your recent purchases made you really happy for more than a week? If you can't remember, you're not alone. That's the fear, right? You're chasing happiness, but it's slipping further away, leaving you feeling stressed, anxious, and buried under a mountain of debt. The truth? You're paying for a lifestyle you can't afford, and the cost is your financial freedom. Now, why does this happen to so many of us? Because we're taught to think like consumers, not investors. You see, we live in a world where you're constantly bombarded with messages telling you that more is better. More shoes, more gadgets, more nights out, and social media, it makes it even worse. It's like a 24/7 highlight reel of everyone else's life, pushing you to keep up, to show that you're living big too. And let's be real, no one's posting pictures of their credit card statement with #broke underneath. But here's the thing, you're not in competition with anyone else. Your only competition should be the future version of you, the you that's financially free, wealthy, and thriving. But to become that person, you need to break the cycle. It's time to flip the script. Debt is the biggest weapon keeping you trapped in this cycle. It's designed to look like a solution, but acts like a trap. High-interest credit cards, car loans, student loans, they feel like a way out until the bills start stacking up. Now, imagine this for a moment. What if you could keep all that money you're paying toward interest every month? What if that cash was fueling your investments, growing your wealth instead? Here's how you can break free. It starts with one key decision. Live below your means. Yes, below. It's not about deprivation, it's about strategy. Because here's the truth, the less you spend now, the more you'll have to invest in your future. And trust me, nothing feels better than watching your investments grow, knowing that you're building a financial foundation that will set you up for life. So how do you start? It's simple. Create a budget, track your spending, and start eliminating unnecessary expenses. But don't stop there. You need to focus on growing your income, not just cutting costs. Start looking for ways to invest in yourself, build new skills, and find opportunities to increase your earning power. Then take that extra income and make it work for you, whether it's in the stock market, real estate, or a side hustle. Now, what if I told you there's one more critical step that most people miss, and that's the difference between the wealthy and everyone else. The truly wealthy don't just make money, they keep it. They're strategic about where every dollar goes. They invest, they save, and they protect their wealth from unnecessary risk. What's stopping you from doing the same? Fear of missing out on the latest trend? Or fear of being judged for living a simpler life now to live a richer life later? Let me tell you, when you shift from keeping up to getting ahead, you'll unlock a new level of financial freedom, and that freedom feels better than anything you could ever buy. The truth is, living beyond your means is a choice, but so is financial freedom. The path is simple. Spend less, save more, and invest in your future. It's time to start making decisions that will set you up for a life of wealth, not just appearances. And hey, maybe one day you'll be the one posting #financially free while everyone else is still trying to figure it out. If you're ready to dive deeper into mastering your money, check out my next video. Unlock financial success faster. Sidestep common investor mistakes for a smoother journey. It's packed with actionable tips to help you avoid costly missteps and get to your financial goals faster. See you in the next video.